Hey, I'm Julie with Bull City Souls, and I'd like to talk about lymphatic drainage of the head and neck and why you would want to encourage that and how cupping could help. So there are many reasons why you would want to encourage lymphatic drainage of the neck. You suffer from sinus issues, constant congestion, you're fighting a cold, flu, you have sinus headaches, you even have dental problems, you had a tooth pulled or an infected tooth. Interesting enough, every tooth in your mouth has a lymph duct. And there are other reasons why you would want to encourage. Those are just a few. So how do you do that, and what does that look like? Lure carries it's called the Glam, a facial cupping system that they have, and it's 4 little silicone cups. They're really just 2 sizes, and I will talk to you and walk you through using these 2. There's also some glass ones with the bulbs. These are personally my favorite. I like the way they grab, but the benefit of these are they're more novice friendly for people who don't have experience with cupping, and it's just a little bit easier. The thing I want to emphasize with cupping is it's different from cupping over the body. When you're working with the face and the neck, you're not using as much pressure with the cups. This is very superficial, the pressure that you're using. So these cups make it easy not to really grab the skin too hard. It's just a light, superficial grab, and that can be beneficial in this instance. So you want to start with a nice facial oil or lotion, and you're going to start at the chest and the neck and then work your way up to the face. I always emphasize to clients that you really want to start at the chest, taking it towards the armpit, down the neck, and then concentrate on the face and adding these strokes in between. And the reason behind that is this is where a lot of the congestion starts and doesn't allow all of what's going on up here, the lymph that's stagnant or not moving and causing the congestion to flow. People who have generally tight necks, I've noticed, have usually congestion or sinus issues. They're more prone to those issues. But so you're going to start with the larger cup. You're going to go right below this bone, your collarbone right here. You can start in the center of your chest, and you're just going to squeeze the bulb and let it grab and then glide across the skin. And it's let it glide and then lift that cup just enough to get it to move, but not enough to pull it off. The thing with facial and lymphatic cupping of the head and neck is this is light, but it's also, you're not leaving the cups part like you would, on the body, again, in a certain area. You just stick them on and move them, or just grab, move. So it's just like letting it latch on and then a little lift. So a couple of strokes starting here, and then you're going to go, this is your SEM, sternocleidomastoid. So the mastoid is here, it goes down to the sternum and the clavicle, clitomastoid. So you're going to stay behind this muscle here. It's not that big of a deal, especially with these cups, if you come a little bit in front. You've got some nerves and vascular up in the front of the neck, so you don't really want to concentrate too much, but these don't grab so much that it's really that much of a big deal. But I tell clients to be extra safe, just to stay behind it if possible. And you can even take it down the side of the neck. You can even do the back of the neck. But for our purpose here, we're going to stay in this little zone right here. And you're just going to, a couple of strokes down and then across. And then you're going to come at the chin and jawline and take it across, following the jaw here. And then here at the cheekbone. Just following that curve, and then you take it down. Always thinking of, like, if you're moving fluid, that you want it to continually encourage it to go down and towards the armpit. And then you can do the forehead. It's not sticking as well on my forehead, so I'll move to the smaller one. And this is the one we can use right under the eye. That more delicate tissue that's right there. It can help with bags under the eyes. You know, and if you suffer from sinus headaches and you feel like you've got a lot of pressure right through here, these are really great to just go in here on these small, delicate areas and just let the bulb grab the tissue and just a little bit of lift and move. You know, just concentrate. You'll feel the bone there of the eye orbit and just go along that area right there. Just a nice, gentle suction. And you can encourage it down the temple here. And then across the brow here. And the forehead. This is where I particularly like the cups. I have one that's kind of oblong shape. It works really well in areas like this. So that's lymphatic drainage and cupping of the face. And read my post. There's some other tips in there. And just remember, after any type of cupping, drink your water. Hydration is really, really important after any type of cupping. Have a great day.